everyone, welcome back. So today we will be doing our first halLAURween video of the season featuring our LaurDIY products. Did you catch what I did there? Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the 6mm jump ring from the LaurDIY tag. From there, connect 6 6mm jump rings to make a jump ring chain. Now repeat this step 2 more times. You should now have 3 jump ring chains. Next, use a 6mm jump ring to connect one end of each jump ring chain together. Now connect another 6mm jump ring to that jump ring. Slide the last jump ring from the previous step onto the middle of the stretch cord. Bring both ends of the stretch cord together and slide them through a small gold cube and gold skull. Now slide a 6mm jump ring, a black bead, and 2 4mm jump rings onto the joined cords. Cut 2 7-inch pieces of hemp cord in orange and lavender, so you should have 4 in total. Tie the ends of the cord into a tight knot. Put the skull tassel pendant in the middle of the joined hemp cords and tie into a snug knot. Now tie the middle of the joined hemp and stretch cords into a tight overhand knot. Trim the ends of the stretch cord. You should have 4 hemp cords on each side of your overhand knot. You'll need to slide 1 black bead, 1 large gold bead, 2 black beads, 1 large gold bead, and 11 black beads onto the middle of one of the cords. Now slide a black bead up against the overhand knot. Tie cords 1 and 4 into a square knot around the middle cords. Slide a large gold bead against the previous square knot. Then tie cords 1 and 4 into a square knot around the middle cords. Now slide a black bead up against the previous square knot. Just beyond the black bead, go ahead and tie cords 1 and 4 into 3 square knots around the middle cords. Repeat steps 7 through 9 one more time. After, repeat step 9 10 more times. Finally, repeat steps 6 through 11 on the other side of the overhand knot. Slide a large gold bead on the joined cords. On the other side, tie the ends of the cord into a tight overhand knot. On the opposite side of the necklace, go ahead and tie cord 2 into half hitch knots around cord 1. Continue to a length that is long enough to form a loop that will fit around the large gold bead on the other end of the necklace. So just use your judgment on this one, everyone. Finally, secure the knot with glue and trim the cord ends. And that's it. Happy halLAURween, everyone.